guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share what came in my latest Nadine West subscription bag. So stay tuned to see what all came inside this month. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this really quick. And I'm going to start by telling you all what is in the bag via this paper. So we have a so two tops, two bottoms, a dress, and earrings. Okay, so here are the earrings, and oh my goodness, these are so pretty. So I've liked the earrings that I've gotten from Nadine West so far, but those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put them on right now because I actually don't have earrings on, and I was thinking about it when I started filming. I was thinking I don't have any jewelry on. Those are so pretty. Okay, I'm really excited about these. They're not super heavy, but they feel like they're well made. So these retail for $16.99, and those are really cute. They are called Primrose Whispers in gold. I really like these. And so all of the jewelry that you get come in these cute little bags, which I think are really nice, especially if like you travel or anything. I like to put my jewelry in these separate little bags, so I keep them and keep my jewelry in them, and it makes it really nice that they don't get all tangled up and everything. Okay, so next we have this top. Ooh, that's really pretty. I actually have this one from a previous box in purple, and I really liked it, so I think they thought I might want another color, and they're not wrong. I actually need more plain staple pieces like this in my closet to pair with some of the bolder patterned things I have. You know, like the bajillion LuLaRoe leggings that I have. So I'm really excited about this, especially because I know the other one fits me so well and it's just so versatile and it's really soft. I love this top. So I'm glad they sent me another one in blue, and that's a really pretty blue too. So that one is retails for $27.49, and it's called Crisscrossed in blue. I really like that. And I will stop to say really quick, if you haven't heard of Nadine West before, their clothing and accessory subscription box, and you can always pause your subscription if you want to skip a month or something like that. They always send at least 1 or 2 pieces of jewelry, I have found, and then, you know, it depends on how many pieces of clothing they send you. So if you would like to try out Nadine West for yourself, there's a link down below, and you can use code Nadine, and that will waive your shipping fee on your first order. So you can try it out in your own home, and if you don't like anything, you can send it all back and you're not out a cent. So that is really awesome, and it's just fun to receive clothes and try them on, and to receive a surprise, really. Like I think my favorite part, I've said it before, I think my favorite part about subscription boxes like this is just that you're surprised. So I never know what I'm getting and I love that. It's so fun. So let's move on. This appears to be a pair of shorts, and they have this really cute detail on the bottom here. I like that a lot. Shorts are like super hit or miss for me because I am so tall and my butt hangs out of pretty much all the shorts. Now, sometimes I feel like it's okay, like depending on what you're doing, like if you're at the beach or something like that, but we'll see. Like sometimes it's just downright inappropriate. So we'll just have to see. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really pretty. Okay, well, I mean, the shorts are $19.49. They retail for $19.49. This top, oh my goodness. This is so pretty and so soft. Oh my gosh. These are my colors, y'all. Like this pinky color and turquoise color. Can you see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's an open detail on it too. Oh, I love this so much. So I would like to just in the middle of this video mention that I got a new camera that autofocuses. Oh my gosh. I'm like, finally got a camera that will autofocus on stuff while I'm videoing, so I'm very excited about that. This top retails for $31.49. So yeah, so I am also this is the first time I've had a screen to look at above my camera lens, so normally I can't see myself at all while I'm filming, so it's a little distracting. Like, it's good to know where you are in the frame but it's also a little distracting. So if you see my eyes pulling up, and I'm totally outing myself, but hey, why not? If you see my eyes pulling up above, it's because I'm like looking to make sure I'm still, you know, here in the right spot, like not moving too, I don't know. It's hard to not look at yourself when you're, okay, anyways. So anyway, here are these shorts. And these are really soft. I hate to compare everything to LuLaRoe, but like these are like LuLaRoe leggings, soft shorts. And they have super cute elephants on them. I think this one is upside down. Elephants. So once again, we're gonna see if these are short on me. I really like high-waisted shorts too. So you know, and then the more you hike them up, the shorter they are. So we'll see how I like these. These may become like pajama shorts for me. Oh, and this, so those shorts retail for $17.99 and they're called Keep It Up. The other black shorts were called Laces for Days. The pink top was called JC. And this says dress on the paper, but it's called Spring Has Sprung, and I can tell that it is actually a romper. Like, these are shorts. Okay, so rompers are also very hit or miss for me. Let's see, what size do I get? A medium. Rompers are also very hit or miss for me because I'm so short, or because I'm so tall. And my torso is really long, so that just like, no, sometimes it's just not good at all. So I'm very excited to try this on because I think it is beautiful. Does it come with a snap here? No. So it is sewn right here, so you're not going to fall out. It's not just open, but it is open here. So I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I'm super excited to try all this stuff on. And I love everything that came in my bag just by looking at it. So I feel like Nadine West is really totally getting my style down. I have been leaving feedback, or trying to remember to leave feedback whenever they send me a bag, and I think that's helping them pick stuff out for me. And you can always go back into your style profile and update anything on their website that you would like to change. It can be a little bit rocky at first when you're trying to make sure they understand what size you are and stuff, but once they get it down and like understand what you like, I feel like the bags are all full of things that I can't send back. It's a good and a bad thing, right? Right now I'm really still trying to kind of like overhaul my closet a little bit and get rid of a lot of things. I'm thinking about doing an online sale of some stuff, so I'm still just looking for things that I want for the summer, and especially because we're getting ready to go to Disney World, I'm wanting some shorts and just some flowy things that I can wear. So I'm hoping some of this stuff really does fit well and will be nice to wear to Disney World. Let's see how it all fits. So here are the shorts and the top, and you can see they are a little bit short, but I really like it. And this top is actually really really long. I'll show you. So if you wore it out like this, it's literally as long as the shorts. So this would be really cute with a pair of leggings, just because this top is gonna go down over your butt, and I never feel like I can wear leggings unless my top's long enough to cover my butt. So this is really nice, and I like it with the shorts, and I'm really loving this detail. Okay, so I'm loving this top, which I knew I would because I have it in purple and I wear it all of the time. But these shorts are a little too bootylicious for me. They're short and they're just also like really tight. So they are super comfortable. I don't mean that they're tight like that, but they just hug too much. They're not flowy like the other shorts I tried on. So these are super comfy. Ooh, they have pockets. I didn't notice that before. Oh, they have pockets. Okay, I love them a little bit more now, but I still can't wear them out of the house. They will be my go-to around the house shorts for sure. I really like them, but they're too tight to go outside with. So then this shirt, I also wanted to just show you like how long this shirt is, because it's really long and will look really good with leggings or over jeans, or you could always like knot it up like this with high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts. Super cute and easy. I'm not making it perfect right now, but just showing you how I would do it. And yeah, so this top is super versatile, I feel like, but these shorts are at home only. Okay, you guys, my worst fear about this romper is true. And what I said about this being closed right here, I would definitely have to wear a tank top underneath this, but more importantly, if I even move, my butt cheeks are gonna fall out. So this is gonna be a no. I really like it too. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize the sleeves were like bell sleeves. I want it so bad. I'm really just trying to decide if there's any way it could possibly work out. Do you think this could pass for like a going out romper? Or would everyone be like, look at that, her everything's hanging out? I don't know. Because even like the top part, it really does kind of stay shut. I feel a little bit self-conscious in it. Okay, well, we'll have to see, and I will give you a full report and let you know if I went out in public in this. All right, so just to run back through everything, this romper that I'm currently wearing retails for $29.99. The blue top retails for $27.49. It's called Crisscrossed. The pink top, called JC, retails for $31.49. The bottoms, the super huggy bottoms with the elephants on them, retail for $17.99. They're called Keep Up. The black shorts with the lace detail, called Laces for Days, retail for $19.49. And like I said, this retails for $29.99. It's called Spring Has Sprung. And the earrings, Primrose Whispers in gold, these are $16.99. So that's a pretty versatile box, I feel like. Having two bottoms and two tops that can work together. I love that they send that. I just love that everything can work together. I think that's really nice. And these earrings, these are definitely my favorite accessories they've ever sent me. Most of the stuff I've gotten has been kind of plain for my style, but I've still really liked it because, like I said about the blue top and the black shorts, I don't have a lot of staple stuff in my closet. I tend to buy things like this with lots of pattern on them, and so the earrings that I've received before are just gold, and those are really pretty, but these are definitely more my style. So I am loving these earrings so much. You're probably gonna see them in all my videos for a while. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, so I loved everything that came in my box. I'm still deciding on this romper because I love it so much, but it might be a little too short. We'll see. And I love these sleeves. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you would like to try out Nadine West for yourself, like I mentioned earlier, there's a link down below and a code to waive your shipping fee. And so you can try it for basically no cost unless you decide you want to keep something or all of it. And then you pay for those items, and the shipping fee is like deducted from that cost. So you don't, it's like not paying for shipping. So if you keep something from every bag, then you never pay for shipping, right? So it's really fun. I love the try-on experience. I love making these videos. I think they're a lot of fun. And I love watching other videos of people who get these because it's really interesting to see some of the same prints on different style tops and things like that. It's just interesting to see what other people get and then how similar some of it is. Let me know what you think in the comments about the stuff that I got, and leave a link down below if you have filmed any of your own videos unboxing Nadine West clothing and accessories. And I will see you in the next video. And if you liked this video and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because I have a goal that I'm trying to hit this month. I hit 151 subscribers today, and that's a big deal for me. So not to go on about that, but it's just a lot of fun knowing that there are people enjoying what I'm putting out there, and I would love if you would stick around. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.